You are welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, press the notification button. Please go back to my previous videos if you really want to understand the real meaning of sharpening using of super hard manual sharpening stone in the barbing field. Thank you. This is WMACK clipper blade. This is WMACK clipper blade too. This is a small WMACK clipper blade, small one. Can you see it? This small one. This is bigger one for WMACK. Can you see? So I want to sharpen the two now. Can you see it? I want to sharpen the two now. Please watch this video carefully. Follow it from A to Z if you really want to know how to sharpen clipper blade very well. Yeah, this is the type of tutorial you need to be watching. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that is the putting of the masking tape at the back of the clipper blade for easy grading. To allow your thumb to have total control on the top and the bottom clipper blade. Application of chemical on the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone. First treatment, the biscuit bone. Follow everything step by step. The third treatment. Can you see the way I spread everything to cover the whole surface in accumulation? Plenty. Yeah, I'm watching the clipper blade before I start. This one is sharpening correctly now. Can you see the surface? Let me put it down. If you want to sharpen for two blades, I advise you first go along with the small ones. Go along with the small ones. Then your treatment, let your treatment be many. Can you see the way I'm applying my treatment to cover the whole surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone? Can you see it? Then this is the second one. Let your treatment be puddle. When your treatment is many, when you are sharpening, you can see it's falling here. This is the second one now. Can you see the surface? Then I advise you go for the first soft one first. I advise you go for the soft one first. Can you see the way I'm applying the treatment? It has to cover the whole surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone. Can you see it? So you go for the first one. This one is smaller one, so you go for the smaller one first. That is 2 and through 10 times. 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 Making 20 times one side, 20 times the other side. You clean it. Let us check the inside and see how the inside is. There's work there. There is plenty work. There is plenty work there. Yeah, can you see it now? When you watch carefully now, the work reaches here, here, large portion here, then small portion here, then cover this here, this side, then all this black area. This one that has been used dull, very dull. Normal, I used to tell you like the way barbers, stylists, proprietors, people having their own clipper, the way they use their own clipper in my own environment is totally different. If you don't know how to sharpen clipper blade very well using super hard manual sharpening stone, you cannot do it. It is not lies. Yeah, can you see it? It has been sharpened correctly. So this one on top of this one. Then let me retreat the surface. This is a bigger blade. Let me retreat the surface. Can you see it? Can you see it? See the way I'm applying the treatment? The way I treating the surface of my super hard manual sharpening stone, almost in form of the in form of sharper, clipper, electric clipper blade machine. That's the sharper. Look at the surface. Yeah, can you see? They have used it dull. It's a new clipper blade, but has been used very dull. Can you see? It has formed about 2 steps there. 2 steps. Yeah, this inner side here is 1 step. The back here and the back here is another step. Let's go. When you want to start for this kind of clipper blade, in order not to waste much of your time or not to waste the blade, can you see the center? This is where it's lay at the back. This is where it lay at the front. You divide your clipper blade into 4. Then from here, can you see from here to here, from here to here, you put your thumb here. Then from the center here to here, center here to here, you place your thumb here for the first time. So when going for the second time, you come to the front. That is to and fro 20 times. That is to and fro 20 times again. Let us go again. Then can you see the way I've told you just now? I first place my thumb here. Now I'm coming back here now. Take note. At the angle of 45 degrees. That is to and fro 20 times. That is to and fro 40 times for one side, 40 times for the other side. It's a bigger blade. What listen? Yeah, can you see this one surface now? I want to show you something here. I want to show you something, whether the camera can pick it. Yeah, can you see it now? Look at this area. Let me still work it out again, whether I can see it. Yeah, can you see it now? The work has reached here, somewhere around here. Together with this side, together with this side. This center here now most likely equally to be the same with the first one. Can you see it? So I'm coming back. Now I'm using this medium to still remind us as a learner, as a professional who really want to know much about sharper again. That is a clipper blade sharpening machine, electric one, made by ZOE Trading and Engineering Company Nigeria Limited, number 16 Nenwe Street, Okpoko, Onitsha City, Nigeria, West Africa, the world. Enter into the tutorial. Watch this film very well. Watch the way I'm using super hard manual sharpening stone very well, because very soon we are still getting to sharper. That is what I say I should tell you. Now try and watch my film from A to Z. So I still need to go again. Let me still retreat the surface of my super hard manual sharpening stone. Let us check again. Yeah, it remains a little. When you watch now, yeah, can you see it? You see that black area, this black area, can you see? So that place has go down very well. Sharpening of the clipper blade is technical, logical, with tricks. That is 2 and 4 20 times. It's slippery, very, very slippery. Yeah. Can you see it's a very tedious work. It has to do with sense, real sense. I'm trying to check. I'm trying to check. Yeah, it seems the clipper blade is sharpening correctly now. So let us put it into test. Let me test the first one. Yeah, this one is sharpening correctly. Can you see it? You set the carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side for the front and the back. Can you see it? This one is sharpening correctly. Let me test for the second one. That's being used well. Let us check the inside. Let us check here. Can you still see? Look at the inside mode. The same. Yeah, you see the black carbon from the left hand side to the right hand side for the hopper and the bottom clipper blade for the front and the back. Can you see? Which means this clipper blade is sharpening correctly. This is how to sharpen WMACK clipper blade, the smaller and the bigger one. The smaller and the bigger one. Can you see? This is the smaller one. This is the bigger one. Can you see it now? WMACK clipper blade, smaller one. WMACK clipper blade, bigger one. Can you see it now? Yeah. Yeah, this is how to sharpen WMACK clipper blade, the bigger